Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going with Q3 of the weekly contest 240 maximum subarray min product. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem. So this one, to be honest, I knew how to do immediately, but it still took me 20 minutes because I was just not confident about it. And I think I was just trying too hard to find my old solution, which took too much time. I should have just implemented from scratch. It would have been faster. But the idea here is try to figure out a way to say, okay, let's say 3, right? Let's say this is the min number. How far left can you go? How far right can you go? So basically, that's what you have to do for each number, and then pre-calculate this, right? For 2, for example, you can go all the way to the 1. For this 2, you can go to this 2, to the left, and nothing to the right. And that's basically the idea here. The idea is that you're able to answer a query of, okay, if 2 is the minimum number for a subarray, how far left can I go and how far right can I go, right? Also, this should probably be a Q4, to be honest. I don't know why this is a Q3. This is pretty tricky. But yeah, so basically that's right. That here with the 2, again, monotonically increasing, is it? Yeah, monotonically decreasing stacks, because this is a probability that you can prove. Is that okay? Let's say you have this array, right? Let's say you have at the number 6. Maybe that's a bad number. Let's say you have a number. Let's just say you build it first, right? So your min is gonna be a 3, and then now you see the 1, right? Well, to answer future queries, what's going to happen, right? Well, for every query that is bigger than a 1, well, 1 is going to be the smaller answer, right? And if it's a smaller answer than a 1, then 1 is not going to be the answer, but 3 is also not going to be the answer. That means that in both cases, or in all cases, the 3 will never be the answer. So then we can remove it from the stack. And then now you put in the 5. The 5 could be an answer if the numbers between 2 to 4 or 2 to 5, then 5 could be the answer, so you leave it in. The 6 for the same reason, and then when you get to 4, you go, okay, well, when you do the 4 again, the 6 could never be an answer to a query to the right ever again, so you remove it. 5 can never be an answer again, so you remove it. So what happens here is, inadvertently, is that you have a monotonically increasing stack, though that doesn't really matter. The part that matters is that this invariant of, in the future query, what can be possible answers? And the possible answers are 1 and 4 up to this point 4. And then at 2, well, the 2, we know that the 4 cannot be a possible answer, so 1 is the answer and so forth. So that's basically the idea behind this chunk, where I go, okay, one at a time, let me try to go to the, what is the minimum index of, to the left, what number there is, and then I do it again for the right, going backwards. What is the next index that has a number that's smaller than this number? So basically, this is going to the left, this is going to the right, of answering the question of how far left can we go starting at index before we see a number smaller than it, or a smaller number, I guess. And the same thing for the right part, and yeah. And then now, and of course, we also do a prefix sum, which is a little bit of a prerequisite. I'm not going to go over prefix sum in this video, so if you are having trouble with prefix sum, I recommend you watch a prefix sum video. I think I might have a couple, but I'm not, for this problem, I'm not going to go over it because it takes too long otherwise. And then at the very end, that's basically it, right? Let's say this is the min number. Then we take this min number, and then we calculate the sum of all the numbers in between the left index and then the right index. And so that sum times the min number is the formula that you're given in the problem, and then now you're trying to take the max of it. And that's basically the problem for Q3. Yeah, that's all I have for this problem. I think it's going to be linear time and linear space. It is some caveat about the math and the mods. In Python, I don't have to worry about it, to be honest. I didn't think about it that much, but definitely just be careful. I think, yeah, I think this should be within, this should be good. I don't know. Yeah, because this should be 10 to the 12th or something like that, and this is 10 to the, I don't know. It should be close. That's why there's a mod. Do your math. But yeah, but for the stack solution, this is O of n space, O of n time. This part is O of n space, O of n time again. And here is just O of n time. And yeah, so everything is O of n space and O of n time. So it's going to be linear time, linear space for this problem. Yeah, that's all I have for this problem. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. I'm going to make it smaller for a second so that you can kind of see everything in one page. But yeah, this is still not small enough. This is a lot of code for me. But yeah. Yeah. So you can watch me solve it live during the contest next. Okay. Okay. I don't know. Remember to mod. I wish they always give a question that mods it for you because that's not the tricky part of the problem usually. But okay. It's scratching me too slow. How do I do this? I feel like I've done this similar part before. Yeah, this is not the right time for my computer to be, or my Chrome to be crashing. I think we just have to get it, one of those min stack to the left. How do I do it? This is so annoying to implement though. Why did it? This could be a Q4, but okay, fine, let's do it. Do I need to prefix some? Yeah, okay. And then the min on the left. Do I want a max stack or the min stack? So we want the minimum element on the left. Man, my so we want to keep track of the minimum element that's bigger than this element. So okay. No, we want the element that's smaller. This is very confusing. So otherwise we look at the top. If the top is bigger, we want to push it, right? Otherwise, because if the top is smaller, what happens when the top is smaller? So we're going from left to right. So 3 and another 1. Well, the 1 is going to be dominated anyway, so then if it's smaller, we just push it on top. So then we want if this is smaller than or equal to, yeah, equal to some index pop. But also is equal to something like that. That's not good. Oh, yeah, right. Why do I do it this way? Someone 0, 0, 2. Is that right? Yeah, okay, because you want to go to 3. Right. Oh, oops. Maybe negative. I don't know whether it should be negative 1 or 0. Well, let's do that for now. So this is 2, so it's 2, right? Oh yeah, because it goes to 2. Okay. Limits itself and no, 0, 1, 2. Okay, that's fine. Now I have to do it backwards for right. I don't know. I think this, I probably could be a little bit better about this, but maybe I'll just copy and paste. I think this is fine the way that I did it, but every time I do that, it goes so wrong. So. So this is 1. Is that true? No, that shouldn't be right. 2 is 2. Because for 1, it should be all the way. Did I mess up my indexing? Oh, this 0 doesn't make sense. Should be n. Because that's the last inclusive number. And this is also not right, but that's fine. That's easy to fix. I don't know. This is still wrong though. Did I do it in the wrong order? Because I do it here, it's 3, that's fine. This is 3, that's fine. 2, this should not be 2. The 1 should not be 1. The 1 should go all the way to 3. This should go all the way to 3 as well. Now, why is this wrong? What am I doing? And this is just not right. Okay, so it puts the 2. Puts 3, 2, 2, but then it appends the 2. Why? On the top of the stack. I'm not in a good shape today. It's stack is 2 and 1. 2. Did I get the signs wrong? 2 should pop to 3 if three pops to 2 because 3 doesn't. That doesn't make sense. Did I get the signs wrong altogether? How did I get the other part right? Also, no, this is wrong. 2 should not be. Oh, guys, I just got the signs wrong somehow. I misread the first part. Okay. This is a little awkward. 2 should be itself. 3 should be itself. Zero, 1, 2, 1, okay. And then to the right side, this goes to 3, 3, 2, 3. Okay, so I think now I have the right thing. This is such a messy problem. Let's see, let's try, let's see, 2, 0, yep, 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 yep. Have to spot check this, 2, yep, 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 4, yep, okay. I feel like I solved this problem like before on BSIO and did it not in a dumb way. I don't know why this took so long. Okay, and then now we have the prefix, and then now, okay, then for each index we can just calculate it. Maximum, okay. How do I do the math? Let's see, left index. Min left has to index, so that is this is the so the index that goes to. So okay. I'm trouble doing the math. So this is the index. So using prefix sum goes from left index to the right index. And then we want the prefix sum of this minus prefix sum of this. Times the min, which is the current number. $14.80.60. Okay, I wanna. Is there more things to check? Did mod. Yep. This one feels awkward. That's what I'm thinking about. The test cases. Let's see. Let's actually print this out. I'm a little bit skeptical, but oops. One is 8. Does that sound right? Oh yeah, because this is 8. Okay. 2 is 14 because it's just these 3 numbers and 14, right? 3 is 1. Okay. What about 18 is 3 and 3. So 3 and 3 is 18. 60, they say it is 564, so should be on the 4. 4 is 60. I guess we're okay. Let's wish me good luck. This one feels a little sketch. Okay. Turned out to be okay. Yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem, its explanation, and all that good stuff. I did okay, but I don't know. Anyway, I will see you later. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. Bye-bye.